Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to claim Fire Boltt warranty. Start by opening your web browser and go to the official website of Fire Boltt. Once the homepage loads, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here you will see several support and help options. Take a moment to read the warranty policies so you understand the terms. Now look for the option called Register a Complaint and click on it. This will take you to a new page. On this page, you may see the same option again. Click on Register a Complaint one more time to open the complaint form. You will now begin by entering your customer details. Type your first name and last name in the required fields. Then enter your phone number. If you have an alternate number, you can enter that as well. After that, type your email address carefully. Next, find the complaint type option. Click on it and select product-related issues from the list. Once you have selected it, click on the next button to move forward. Now you will be asked to enter product details. Start by selecting the source of purchase, such as Fire Boltt or any other platform where you bought the product. Then choose the product type from the available categories. After that, select your product name. Next, enter the date of purchase in the correct format. Make sure the date matches your invoice or receipt. You will now see an option to attach files. Upload clear images, your purchase invoice, and even videos that show the issue with your product. This helps speed up the review process. Finally, describe your issue clearly in the message box. Once everything is complete, click on Submit. Your request will be reviewed, and once approved, the team will contact you with further steps. Thanks for watching.